Okay guys, right behind me in the white blinding light is 1985 Pontiac Trans Am WS6, and I just drove it home from Beaver Creek, Oregon here to my home in Salem, and it's about 48, 49 miles depending on the route you take, but I took as many back highways as I could, but I'm gonna come out here, I'll flip it around and let you guys see what I got. And then from here on out, it's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm looking forward to it and looking forward to interacting with everybody online. So here we go. Just a second, honey, I'm recording. All right, guys, pardon the interruption there. I had to eat some lunch, and so now the sun is actually moved, and we've got a little better look at this thing. It's not perfect, but it is a real Trans Am WS6 that has the performance package in it, the handling. Inside, you can see that obviously the interior needs a little work, but all in all, it's not bad. Yeah, not too bad at all, really. And this arrow wing spoiler is definitely got to go. I don't know if I'll put another new one on there or what. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty chewed up. Yeah, so patch area looks pretty good. Again, the tops of the seats, sun damaged and torn. But everything looks pretty decent. Let's take a look in here. Nothing in there, okay, but the door works and it locks, and that's cool. Let's see, the rubber here looks good. I don't know how these cylinders are. They seem like they're a little sluggish, but I have to work on those. Around here, let's take a look at the T-tops. Of course, the headliner definitely needs to be replaced, but all in all, not looking too bad. The last car I had was an 85 Z28, and I mean, it had issues too, but after a while I was able to get it cleaned up, put some new parts on it, and turn it around for more than what I bought it for, like double what I bought it for, so that's cool. Let me go over the body here. This this one headlight, I mean, the seams look pretty good. Everything seems to be closing pretty tight. But this headlight, I don't know if it's just not coming. Yeah, I don't think it's coming up all the way. I have to check that out. Front end, I don't know if they painted it or what, or just put a new front bumper on it. Of course, it has the arrow wheels. I don't know. They're kind of funky. I mean, people have been hitting the curbs, so that's going to have to be touched up. All right. Yeah, just your standard naturally aspirated 305. I do need to put a new battery tray in it. This one has broken through. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start it up, and you guys can listen to how it sounds. All right, here we go. You can see the odometer's at just shy of 49,000. When I was driving it back from Beaver Creek, and you can see it's idling at 2,000 RPM. Yeah, I don't know if that tack is that accurate, because I was only doing 55 miles per hour, and I was redlining pretty much. I was up at $5,000, so that's not cool. Even has the warning when you leave your keys in, which is nice. You know, the carpet looks like it's seen better days, but it's not too bad. I plan to clean it up. On the Camaro that I had, I just shampooed the heck out of it, and it came back pretty good. But yeah, I don't know about it. We'll see. One thing I don't like about these new third gens is there's no metal sill plate, so it's not good. So this car does have the adjustable mirrors, left and right. As a bonus, the car came with, believe it or not, an extra set of T-tops, so that's kind of cool. And I'm not sure what the story is on these. I didn't get it exactly straight, but they were in a junkyard and found these and thought it'd be kind of cool to have an extra set or something. I don't know, but and then a lot of extra seals here. That's that battery tray, and then an extra license plate over. All right, here we go. Now, of course, the real test is to pull up the carpet and see what it looks like, but you know, it's generally looking pretty good. Yeah, not too bad. And in fact, this 9-bolt differential looks pretty rusty, but you know, it's surface stuff. It doesn't look too bad. It's just a matter of getting under here and cleaning everything up and seeing what can be saved, which is probably a good bit of it. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the original window sticker. 1985 Firebird Trans Am. That's the VIN 1G2FW87H2FL 631864. You can see that that's all standard equipment. We won't go into that, but I wanted to show you these options. It's got the power driver seat. It's got power door locks, power windows, deck lid release. Luxury trim group consists of luxury seats. They're not so luxury anymore. but they will be. Folding split rear seat, cowl kick panels, carpeted, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but anyway. Mats, carpet, front, floor, mats, carpet, rear, floor. Deluxe luggage compartment. Yeah, a locking hatch, roof. Windshield wiper, I'm not going to get into all that stuff. It talks about power mirrors, left and right. We already mentioned that. Cargo security screen, spoiler, rear aerial wing. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it would look good back on there if it was nice. I mean, done, of course, finished. 5-liter 4-barrel V8 produced in the US or Canada. Sorry, I'm trying to read this without my glasses on, so bear with me. Leather wrapped wheel. And you guys can read the rest of this, I guess, but the most important thing here is down at the bottom is the WS6 Special Performance Package. Continued on second page, so let's get that. And consist of tires, 16-inch, which the fronts need to be replaced because the outer edge is wearing pretty badly. I don't know if I showed you that, but yeah, so I need new fronts. The rears look fine. And then special handling package, power brakes, 4-wheel disc, very nice. And then of course the 11L and 11U for lower and upper paint. That GM white paint, code 11.